Hi, my name is Christine. We're here at the KODAK PIXPRO headquarters, and I'm going to be talking to you about the latest in our lineup of KODAK PIXPRO cameras. Want a great 40 times optical zoom camera for well under $200? Well, we have the model for you with the KODAK PIXPRO AZ401 Astro Zoom camera. The bridge camera got its name because it bridges the gap between compact point-and-shoot models and much more expensive DSLRs. The AZ401 comes with 4 AA batteries, pop-up flash, lens cover, and a handy neck strap. Our customers love the convenience of AA batteries, and this camera takes a standard SD card that you can purchase almost anywhere. This model has a 24mm wide-angle lens, large 3-inch LCD, and switches between photo and video with the turn of a dial. Optical image stabilization helps keep your subject in focus even in an unsteady environment. Auto settings only scratch the surface of this super affordable and highly rated 40 times zoom camera. Detection features like face, smile, blink, and pet modes are standard, along with easy-to-use post-editing touch-up modes like red eye removal, skin softening, eye brightening, and enlargement to take your photography to the next level. To learn more, visit us at KODAKPIXPRO.com. Don't forget to share your photos and videos with us and tell your story.